Martha works with multi-level marketing and managed to create an incredible entrepreneur recruiting funnel for her business opportunity. In this funnel, she has a page with a video to capture emails that are connected to an autoresponder sequence, webinar registration, confirmation, and presentation pages where she has a registration link to redirect potential clients straight to the business offers she represents. With the Builderall Auto Funnel, Martha can duplicate and share the same funnel to all entrepreneurs in her network. They don't even have to edit the funnel since it is already done for them. Today, Martha is one of the top sellers of her company. She loves to work with Builderall. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere, and I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.